Good morning. Welcome back to KGP online classes and welcome to English readers class. Okay, so in our previous videos we studied the story of the mice that ate balance. In this story we talked about two friends, Jiva and Janak. Jiva was a merchant who lost everything due to heavy rains. He lost his business, his farms, his cattle. So he decided to move to a town to earn money, and he gave his iron balance that was made of iron, and it was given to him by his father. He gave it to his friend Janak to keep it safe. But when Jiva came back after a few years, after earning a lot of money, he went to his friend Janak's house and he asked him to return his iron balance. But to this, how did Janak reply? Janak replied by saying, "Oh, I'm so sorry, my dear friend. The iron balance had eaten up by the mice, because I have mice in my home." So to this, Jiva said, "Okay, it's okay, forget about it. But you do one thing, you send your son to me, because my wife has made tasty and delicious sweets. So I will send some for you." Now let's study further and let's learn that what is in the story. Let's hear me and also keep an eye on your book. "I am sorry," said Jiva. "While I was coming, a big eagle swept down upon him and carried him away." Okay, so as Janak's son was missing, he didn't come back to his house for a few hours. So he went to his friend Jiva, and Jiva, what did Jiva say? "Oh, I'm so sorry. Your son, when I was coming, what happened when I was going with your son? A big eagle came down and he swept down your child and carried him away." Now swept down, what does it mean? To dive downwards and carry something suddenly. Okay, so the eagle came from the sky and he carried his Janak's son in his claws and take him away. Okay, so that's what Jiva said. To this, what did Janak say? Now let's see. "What nonsense!" shouted Janak. "How can an eagle carry off a young boy?" Now Janak was really angry. When someone is really angry, when someone gets really angry, what do they do? They shout. And in the same way, Janak was also shouting. Janak was shouting and he said, "What nonsense! Is this even possible? How can a eagle is a bird, okay? And a bird cannot actually carry a child, cannot carry a young child who must be of your same age. Okay, so an eagle cannot do that. So that's why Janak got really angry and he said, "What nonsense! That cannot be possible." The argument turned into a fight. The matter had to be taken to the village court. The judge listened to both the parties and ordered Jiva to bring Janak's son to the court. Otherwise, he would be sent to jail. So, another argument. What is the meaning of argument? The meaning of argument is heated discussion. When someone gets really angry, then they start shouting each other, they're discussing everything, they start to blame each other, okay? That's what we call an argument, a heated discussion. Now, both of the friends are really angry. They started to blame each other. And what happened? They went to the village judge, okay? Now, what happened is, beta, in a village, usually the matters are solved by 5 people, okay? And these 5 people are called as panchayat. As you can see in the book also, there are 5 people sitting under a tree, and these 5 people are called as panchayat of the village. And these 5 people have the power to decide what is wrong and what is right. So both of the friends, Jiva and Janak, went to the panchayat, and they said, and the panchayat, what the panchayat said, the judge said, bring back Janak's son, otherwise Jiva would be sent to the jail. My lord, said Jiva, how can I, when an eagle has carried away the boy? When the judge asked Jiva to bring Janak's son back, to this, how did Jiva reply? Jiva said, my lord, how can I bring the boy, whereas an eagle has carried him away? What is he saying? That an eagle came and he took Janak's son away. Stop this nonsense, the judge shouted. How can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons? Okay, upon hearing this, even the judge got angry, and judge shouted, stop this nonsense. How can a bird carry a child, carry a young boy? Obviously, that's also true. A bird can never carry a child in his talons. What is the meaning of talons? Talons means claws, okay? The claws of the birds, from which the bird carries or holds something. How can a bird can do that, right? It cannot. That's why even the judge got really angry. If mice can eat an iron balance, why can't a bird carry away a grown-up boy? Answered Jiva. Jiva was listening everything, and he said, if a mice can eat iron balance, if the mice can eat iron balance, why cannot an eagle carry away the bird? Then he narrated the whole story to the judge. Okay, the meaning of narrated is told. As Jiva was listening everything, but he also narrated all. He told everything to the judge, that this what happened. Okay, when he told everything to the judge, that how Janak also lied to him, what the judge did? The judge then warned Janak and asked him to speak the truth. Janak felt sorry and returned the iron balance to Jiva. Jiva returned the boy to Janak and said, my friend, here is your son. I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty. Okay, so when the panchayat heard everything, what they did, they warned Janak now. Now they warned Janak to speak the truth, and Janak told them everything. Okay, and upon hearing this, Jiva also brought Janak's son back and he returned him. And what did he say in the last? That my friend, this is your son, and I was just trying to teach you a lesson in honesty. Okay, so this was the story. And what did we learn this story? We learned, we learned a lesson in honesty, that we should never lie. We talked about two friends. One was Jiva. Jiva was hardworking, Jiva was honest, and Jiva trusted his friend Janak. That is why he gave his iron balance to keep it safe with Janak. Whereas his friend Janak, he was a liar who lied, and he also tried to do what? He also tried to lie many times, okay? And he got really jealous also. That's why he kept his iron balance with him. And we also learned that Jiva was also a really clever and wise man. Why he was really clever and wise? Because when his friend Janak lied to him, what did Jiva do? Jiva didn't get angry at first. He really cleverly and patiently thought about everything, and he make a plan to teach Janak a lesson in honesty. Okay, so now whenever I teach a lesson in my class, I ask my students to do the back exercises on by themselves. So you also please do the back exercises yourself and read the lesson loudly, because reading is really important in English. Okay, so please do that, and if you have any query, please message me, and you can also call me. Okay, thank you and take care. Bye bye.